Bonjour à tous and welcome to Learn French with Vincent, and this is Unité 9, leçon C. And in this lesson we'll see together what we call in French le futur proche. So if you want to translate this futur proche directly, it would be like the near future. So technically it is one way that we've got to express the future, but then we keep a structure that is conjugated at the present tense, okay? And so to make it, we'll see it right now, first we need to use the verb aller. Aller is to go, okay? And well, this verb aller should be at the present tense. Then you will put your verb. Your verb should be at the infinitive, so the basic form of the verb. Then you will get this futur proche structure. Okay, so it is like in English, for instance, when you say I am going to something, that it is exactly the same structure. Okay, express something that you want to do or you are going to do. Okay, but still it will be at the present tense. Okay, so the only thing that really you should remember and know by heart is the verb aller at the present tense. If you don't remember it, well, don't worry, it is coming right now. Je vais, tu vas, il va, elle va, nous allons, vous allez, ils vont, elles vont. Okay, so this is the verb aller at the present tense. Okay, let's see it one more time. Je vais, final S not pronounced here, and remember when you combine this A and E together, you get the sound E, so really open. Je vais. Tu vas, final S not pronounced. Tu vas. Il va, elle va. Nous allons, remember final S not pronounced. O and together it's on, and then we'll make this little link between the two, what we call the liaison. Nous allons. Okay? Then vous allez. Remember, a Z at the end here will give you this A sound. Okay? Aller. And then, as previously, this little link between the two, liaison. Vous allez. Right? Then, ils vont. Final T not pronounced. And then O and together. On vont. Okay? Ils vont, elles vont. All right, so one more time. Je vais, tu vas, il va, elle va, nous allons, vous allez, ils vont, elles vont. Okay, so that's the only thing that really you should modify or conjugate, because after that you will put your verb at the infinitive form. So let's see a few examples now. And the first one, je vais sortir ce soir. Sortir is to go out, ce soir, this evening. Okay, so I am going to go out. Sounds strange in English. This evening. Okay, in French, well, it's quite possible here. Je vais sortir ce soir. Then, elle va apporter un gâteau. Apporter is to bring. Un gâteau, a cake. Elle va apporter un gâteau. Okay. And after that, nous allons faire du café. Faire is to do, or in that case it could be to prepare. Du café, some coffee. Nous allons faire du café. Okay. Vous allez partir en vacances. Partir is to go, en vacances, on vacation. And here you can see that at the end we've got this point d'interrogation. So it means that it's a question. And if it's a question, we should raise the voice a little bit at the end. So let's repeat it. Vous allez partir en vacances? Okay, so I tend to insist a little bit, but still, that's the idea. You should raise your voice a little bit at the end just to inform the person that it's a question, okay? Vous allez partir en vacances? Vous allez partir en vacances? Okay, so you can hear it. First, je vais sortir ce soir. Then, elle va apporter un gâteau. Nous allons faire du café. Vous allez partir en vacances? And that's it. Now you know how to make this futur proche. If you want more video, then youtube.com/imagier, and the website if you want more material, or then send me a little message. It would be nice. imagier.net. Have a great day. Bye bye.